now happened in the national capital. Now, this letter that has now come across as far as the Delhi Chief Minister Atishi writing to the Delhi LG, VK Saxena, where she is alleged that there has been, on the directions of the Delhi Lieutenant Governor, demolition of temples and Buddhist monasteries has taken place. In her letter, Atishi claims that a committee with the approval of the LG had decided to raise several places of worship, a move she says would hurt the sentiments of various communities. However, the LG's office has responded, strongly dismissing these allegations and accusing Atishi, the Chief Minister of Delhi, of indulging in cheap politics to divert the attention of the failures of the AAP Sarkar. The Delhi LG in that letter has reaffirmed that no religious sites have been demolished on his directions. The Aam Aadmi Party's own ally, meanwhile, has hit out as far as Congress Party calling it out as a war of words without any substance. The Congress also accusing the Aam Aadmi Party having been unable to control any understanding of what should be done. So here is the BJP and the LG versus AAP, and also the Congress versus the Aam Aadmi Party.
ये सब इस समय जो भी आतिशी जी कर रही हैं या आम आदमी पार्टी कर रही है, ये सब चुनाव के तहत है। ये चीज़ें पहले से होती आती हैं। मुझे मालूम है, मैं भी सरकार में रहा हूं, जो मंदिरों को या इलीगल इमारतों को या सड़क के कारण या किसी और के कारण मंदिरों को शिफ्ट करने की या उनको हटाने की जो कमेटी होती है, उसका एक तौर तरीका होता है। उसमें सरकार के भी लोग बैठते हैं। सरकार के अधिकारियों पर इनका कोई कंट्रोल है नहीं, इनको कोई समझ नहीं है क्या चीज़ आनी है क्या चीज़ नहीं आनी है। और अब एक नया चीज़ इन्होंने पिछले 2 साल में ले ली है कि हर चीज़ जिसमें इनको लगता है कि इनको वोट नहीं मिलेगा या वोट असर हो जाएगा, उसकी फाइल एक एलजी साहब के पास भेज देते हैं और खुद जो चाहे वो करते रहते हैं। मुझे इसमें कोई गंभीरता आतिशी जी की तरफ से दिखती नहीं है।
It's just a war of words, nothing else. There is no substance in it. And she tried to portray it as if it's going to be demolition of Buddhist shrines. But the list which I have seen, that not only Buddhist but the other shrines, other monuments are also there. But at the same time, when LG office is refuting it, that it is not going to happen, then of course it's nothing that, of course, blaming each other. That's why Delhi has suffered for 11, 12 years.
Well, let's get in a word from Tetri joining us. Tetri, good afternoon. The letter war of words that has been taking place, how has the Aam Aadmi Party now been reacting, especially the response that came in from the Delhi LG's office? Tetri, if you're connected, you can take that question.
You know, that response had also come, in fact, yesterday night itself.
Go on, Tetri, we can hear you.
Well, yes, absolutely. The war of letters is underway in between the Delhi Chief Minister and the LG itself. And in fact, we saw that first of all, the letter was written by LG to Atishi, mentioning about how Arvind Kejriwal called her as a temporary Chief Minister. Later on, Atishi responded and asked him to not to play petty politics. Later on, we also saw that then Atishi wrote to LG and in fact asked to not to demolish the religious structures. And in fact, then we saw the response of LG of Secretariat coming in, where they refuted such allegations that no such demolitions are being done or no such instructions have been issued. However, if there are some kind of disturbing elements, then strict orders have been issued to the Delhi police to take action against those who will be disturbing the religious peace and harmony. Back to you.
All right. Reactions that have been coming on part of the Aam Aadmi Party and the BJP as well, which is now hit back at the Aam Aadmi Party, claiming that they have made many promises, but they have been unable to do so when it comes to delivering or fulfilling them. Listen in.
जिस प्रकार से आम आदमी पार्टी लगातार घोषणाएं कर रही है, क्या पूरी घोषणाएं उन्होंने पूरी पुरानी वाली पूरी कर दी हैं? क्या उनकी घोषणाओं पे जनता को विश्वास नहीं है? धर्म के नाम पे बांट रहे हैं, क्षेत्र के नाम पे बांट रहे हैं, जिस प्रकार से रोहिंग्या को बसाने का, बांग्लादेशी को बसाने का काम कर रहे हैं और लोगों को लालच देकर जो संविधान की मर्यादा है उसका हनन करने का काम कर रहे हैं। मुझे लगता है कि ये कहीं ना कहीं संविधान के अनुकूल नहीं है। गवर्नर साहब ने सही कहा है और ये पार्टी के प्रति लोगों का विश्वास खत्म हो चुका है। लोग पूछ रहे हैं सड़कें कब बनेंगी, पानी कब मिलेगा, हॉस्पिटल कब मिलेंगे, स्कूल अच्छे कब होंगे। सारा इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर बिगड़ा हुआ पड़ा हुआ है। उससे बचने के लिए ये ऐसी घोषणाएं करने का काम किया जा रहा है।